Hello, welcome back to BJRS Officials. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to update your bank details on ETHEREAL for payment. So I'm going to be showing you how to update your bank details and also how to change your password on ETHEREAL. So these are the two things that we are going to be looking at in today's video. So in case you want to put in your bank details for payment and also how to change your password to a new one, so this video is the right fit for you. Make sure to watch this particular video from beginning to the end as we dive in right now, so that you will not get confused. I'm going to start from the beginning. So let me go back to my dashboard like this. So this is my ethereal dashboard. This is what we are going to do. If you are on your dashboard like this, then you want to put in your bank details. The first thing that you need to do is to head over and click on this three dash icon locating at the top of your left hand side. Now I have clicked on the three dot icon, on the three dash icon. The next thing for you to do is to click on profile. After clicking on profile, it's going to take you to this particular place. Understand? Then what we want to do is to add our payment details, which is our bank account, so that you can withdraw your money to your bank account. So you head over and click on bank account. So after you click on bank account, it's going to take you to this particular interface right here. So all you have to do is, so the first thing is to click here, click on this particular place to enter your bank account number. So for example, now my account number is, let me change this to this. My account number is 159. Okay, this is my account number. Then you can see it right there. This place is showing account details not found. This is because I haven't entered select my type of bank. So my bank is Access Bank, and if you check right there, there is no name on this particular place. But immediately I select my type of bank here, is going to automatically pop up my name. So this helps you to enter your correct bank details without any mistake. So let me head over and select Access. You see, immediately I select Access Bank here, it automatically pop up the name that is on my account for me to confirm that what I have done is correct without any mistake. So the next thing for me to do is just to head over and click on submit. You see, this shows because I've already submitted my bank details, so it cannot be changed. That one is how to update your bank details for payment. So the second one is how to change your password on ethereal. Just like I said before, you have to take the same steps, exact same steps. Either you go to this particular place and take the same steps, or you come to this particular shortcut right here. It will also take you to the same place. Look at this shortcut right here. You see profile at the down. So you just have to click on the profile. Then after you click on the profile, you see it takes me to this particular place, the same place that we were before. Now you can head over and click on security. You see, just head over and click on security. You see right here bar, or you take the first step, which is by clicking on profile, going to security, which is this particular one. All the same thing. So once you get to this particular place like this, what you have to do is, for example, if you see right here, you see where they write old password. So you first have to type in your old password. If my old password was like this, for example, this is just an example. For example, if this was my old password, I will first have to enter my old password. Then this remaining two is where I will have to enter the new password that I want to enter. Understand? You first have to put in your old password before you can now enter the current password that you wish to use. So after putting that particular password, and now I will have to enter my new password, and all I have to do is to click here and enter my new password, the new password that I want to use. For example, if this is the password that I want to use, this is just for an example, it's not my real password. Understand? So you enter this password right here, and the next thing for you to do is for you to also enter the same password right here. You still have to enter the exact password that you enter in this particular place. You also enter the same password here. So after you enter the same password, you can now, so like I said before, I will still have to enter the same password, so I can just choose to copy the old password. I will just do copy and paste. So after pasting the password, the last thing for me to do is to head over and click on submit. I don't want to change my password right now, so I will not need to submit it. What I did is just for example to show you how you can actually change your password on ETHEREAL. So if you click on submit, you are going to see that password updated successfully. So that's what you are going to see. And lastly, should in case you want to change your full name, if you want to change your full name, or you want to change your phone number, you only just have to click on this particular profile right here. You know that we have profile, payments, and we also have security. And now we are done with this particular tool, which was the main purpose of this video. So if you want to update your name, you just need to click on this particular place. You erase the old name, you now type in the new name that you wish to use. And if you want to change your phone number, just still the same thing. You just have to click on the phone number, then you type in the new phone number that you want to use right here. So after you type in the new phone number, you can now head over and click on submit. Understand? And should in case you log into your account like this, when you log in, you see this particular notification right there. What you just have to do is for you to close it. Check this particular place, you see the X button right there. So click on the X button to just close it. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, drop your comment on the comment section, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. And most important thing, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this.